Solving rational equations. A rational equation contains one or more rational expressions. When you see the word rational, think of ratio. When you think of ratio, think of fraction. So we'll be solving equations with fractions. So the first example, 1 over 2k plus 1/2 equals 5 divided by k, is a rational equation, an equation with fractions. It also has variables in the denominator. So just like any fraction, any equation with a fraction, when we're adding or subtracting, we're going to find the least common denominator. Then in this case, we're going to then multiply each term by the least common denominator. We're going to simplify and then solve. So the first step is to find the least common denominator. The least common denominator for 2k, 2, and k would be 2k. So now I'm going to multiply each term by 2k. Two k times 1 is 2k. 2k times 1 again is 2k. This time it's going to be over 2. 2k times 5 is 10k. So I've multiplied each term by the least common denominator of 2k. Now I'm going to simplify. 2k divided by 2k is 1. 2k divided by 2 is k. 10k divided by k is 10. Now I can solve, and k equals 9. Example 2. 5/12 minus 1 over 2x equals 1 over 3x. First step, we're going to find the least common denominator. The least common denominator for 12, 2x, and 3x. First, going to look at the numbers. The least common denominator of 12, 2, and 3 is 12. And then we'll look at the variables, x and x. So 12x is the least common denominator. Now we're going to multiply each term by 12x. 12x times 5 is 60x minus 12x over 2x, 12x over 3x. So we've multiplied each term by the least common denominator. Now we're going to simplify. Five x minus 6 equals 4. Now we solve. So x is equal to 2. Third and final example, 2x minus 12 divided by x squared equals 1 over x plus 3x plus 15 divided by 5x squared. So we need to first find the least common denominator of x squared, x, and 5x squared. And that would be 5x squared. This time I'm going to put it out here and just multiply it this way. So I'm going to rewrite this as 5x squared times the quantity 2x minus 12 over x squared equals 5x squared over x plus 5x squared over 3x plus 15 divided by 5x squared. So instead of distributing first, I'm going to go ahead. This is 5 times x squared times this parentheses. So I'm going to go ahead and simplify x squared divided by x squared. And then I'm going to distribute. I'm going to simplify here to 5x. And this is eliminated, so 3x plus 15. So now I've simplified, and now I'll solve. So x is equal to 75 halves. Find the least common denominator, multiply each term, simplify, and solve.